Hi everyone, it's Susan Burns here, the Portland makeup girl. I am back to tell you about my acne journey. So I have had really bad acne literally my entire life. It was super bad in middle school and high school, to the point where I didn't feel comfortable like even leaving the house without makeup. The last year I have made it my goal, like literally my everything, to not only feel comfortable but to not want to wear makeup all the time. So I've been like just weekdays, like weeks will go by without wearing makeup. Like a while back there was like a couple months that went by without wearing makeup. Of course I'm still making videos for you guys, I just take it off afterwards sometimes, but yeah, my journey towards loving my face and all of that started about a year ago. So here is what I do and what works for my skin. Everyone's skin is going to be different. I'm not a professional, so I would definitely recommend going to a dermatologist or some kind of esthetician or something, and they could probably get you on the right path towards what works for you. But I have a facialist, and I also just am really in tune with my body and what works for me. So yeah, here we go. So the first thing I would highly recommend is celery juice. I drink celery juice every single morning, and I've been doing it for maybe the past 2 years now, I don't know, but it's kind of gross, but after a while of doing it, like you'll literally crave it every morning. It's just like like after you drink it, it's so hydrating, and I think it has cleared my skin up so much. The second like really huge like major thing for me was cutting out all milk products. I found out about 2 years ago that I'm actually allergic to milk, which I never knew, like literally my whole life. If I have any milk products now, like the next day I will literally get acne like all over my face. So yeah, maybe if you have a lot of acne, you should get tested and see if you are allergic to milk, because that was big for me. The third thing is a major change that I made is I stopped using all of those whatever they're called. They're like little makeup remover wipe things. I feel like literally my whole life my parents and my grandma, they were always like, don't use those, they don't clean your face, like blah blah, but they were just so easy. And for me it was either like, okay, I can use this and like clean my face, or I could do nothing. And just because I was like busy or whatever, so I the last year have not even used those once. I forced myself to go get some soap and water and wash my face. I would definitely recommend that if you are an avid user of those things. I think they're used to take off your makeup. So what that tells me now is they're not used to clean your skin. They're to take off your makeup, so you're not really like cleaning your skin. And B, I feel like you have to push really hard on your face, and I feel like my face was getting like so wrinkly. Yeah, I'm probably just dramatic and that's not real, but those are just my thoughts. So the next thing I have to show you is just like a whole lot of products that I've been using for a while now and I really love. So I do rotate through these products because they all kind of do the same thing, which is a chemical exfoliation. So I use them like maybe every third day of the week, or some of them I use like every other week. Some I just use like once a month, just kind of when I'm feeling it. So yeah, so this one I do use every single day though. I just bought a new one. It's this guy right here, and it's a Portland based brand. So if you live in Portland, you could just get it here, but I'm sure you can get this online too. It is by my facialist, Dr. O'Neill. It is a hemp seed and essential oil blend. I use this morning and night. It is 100% pure, organic, cold pressed hemp seed oil, juniper, lemon oil, and Australian tea tree oil, which I've always used the tea tree oil to I don't know, like get rid of my acne. But this I put on morning and night, and it is absolutely amazing if I have acne, or even if I don't have acne. It's just something I really, really like. The second thing I use every single day is a moisturizer with SPF. I would highly, highly recommend. I think every person out there should be wearing SPF on their skin. This is the one I choose to use. It's the Trader Joe's, and it is SPF 15. I also have this bottle. Sorry, this is kind of like dog hairy, but it's the Neutrogena, and this is SPF 35. I kind of toggle between those two. I feel like the more all natural products I use on my skin, the better I feel. So I don't always like using that Neutrogena one, but if I'm going to be going like somewhere where I know it's going to be really sunny, I will use that one over the Trader Joe's one, just because it does have higher SPF. The third thing I use this at night sometimes just over my oil, is this Cure incredibly clear mattifying moisturizer. I was recommended this by an esthetician about a year ago, and it's an all natural skincare brand. If you haven't checked this out, I get this at New Seasons. You can also get it online too, but I mean, if you go to New Seasons, just go check out that brand. So I use this every night to clean my skin. I used to use it morning and night, but I found out that I just like to use it to kind of like take off my makeup, and I don't like to use it in the mornings because I just like splash water on my face, and I don't like that harshness of like cleaning all my facial oils off every morning, just because I feel like my body kind of like naturally produces oils, and I don't want to like always be taking those off. So that might just be like the inner hippie, like crazy person in me, but like it just makes me like feel good. So yeah, I use this every night. It is the Pacifica Acne Defense face wash, and yeah, I don't know. I get this at Target. I really, really like it. I've used a lot of different things through the years for acne. A lot of them just dry out my skin so much. And sometimes they don't feel like they really like take off the makeup. This one I feel like really, really takes off the makeup, and I feel like it doesn't like dry out my skin too much. So I just started using this. It is the Clinique, their Clinique ID. It's a BB gel, and the topper that I put on mine is the even skin tone one. So after I put on my oils, after I put on my SPF, I top my skin with this, and I feel like my skin has been so clear. Like, I don't know if it's this or what. I also have heard that like this is like a foundation for people, which I put it on and it doesn't give me like any color on my skin at all. So I don't know about that, but I do really, really like this product. So the next 4 products I'm going to show are all ones that I rotate. So I definitely wouldn't recommend using these every single day, which, I mean, maybe someone out there will tell you that you can, but for me, I cannot. So these guys right here, 3 of these are by the Ordinary brand, which you can find at Ulta. I know this brand is really, really popular right now, but I know there's so many people that haven't heard of it either. So this is the mask, and I'll just go ahead and read you what I found out on Ulta about this mask. Okay, so for the details on this mask from Ulta, it says, enhances the appearance of a smooth and clear complexion while leaving the skin feeling refreshed. Charcoal and clays are ingredients re-owned for their deep cleansing abilities. They aid the removal of facial impurities that would otherwise remain on the skin. This was $12, so really good one. I've only used it once, but I have been really happy with this entire brand so far. The next one is this guy right here. Hope you can see that. You literally can't see that, can you? Cool, so you can't see that and I can't say it, so we're a really good team. Azelaic acid, I don't know if that's how you say it, but let's read the details. So this was $7.90 on Ulta, so this is just so great for like the price that you pay. So it is rich in azelaic acid, which brightens the skin tone while visibly improving uneven skin texture and reducing signs of congestion. It is a multifunction ingredient that offers antioxidant support. So yeah, just like super good for your skin. The next one that I really like is this one I've actually had for probably the last year. This is a new bottle for me because I think I've gone through actually 2 of these. This is like my 3rd bottle that I've had. This one I really like. This one is the one I would recommend buying out of like all the Ordinary products. I actually use this on my arms and just anywhere that I might get like razor bumps, which is kind of weird, but like I read it online. So just think anywhere you might get razor bumps on your body, you can use this. And I put it on like the day before I shave, and then I'll shave the next day, and then sometimes I'll even put it on like after I shave, like the day after. I've definitely used this on my bikini area for shaving and not getting razor bumps, and it worked super good for me. Don't come for me if it's like really bad for you, please. But I really like this stuff. I get like the little red dots on my arm, which you can't really see right now because this stuff is amazing. So yeah, I put it on my arms, I put it on my face, anywhere that you get like breakouts or like weird red bumps that come from like hairs. This stuff is amazing. Let me read you the details. Sorry, so that one is the lactic acid. It says it offers exfoliation for visibly smoother and brighter skin. It is supported with a purified Tasmanian pepperberry. Ooh. Yeah, so definitely recommend that one. The last one is this product here. It's by the brand Paula's Choice, and it is a skin perfecting 8% AHA lotion with glycolic acid in it. Sorry, I'm not sure if I said this, but I got this at Nordstrom's before they closed. Right, so let me read you what the Paula's Choice says. It says, with perfecting AHA lotion from Paula's Choice, your skin will look healthier and clearer than ever. Featuring a powerful combination of alpha hydroxy acids and glycolic acids, this skin moisturizer works effectively on diminishing fine lines and wrinkles to enhance your skin's beauty. So yeah, this stuff is super amazing. I also really like Paula's Choice toner. I used that for a few weeks back in the day, and it really brought down my acne scars. Yeah, so that's all the products that I use. I also want to say something I never really did when I was younger, but I would highly recommend starting this from a younger age, is going to get a facial. I think that just really helps with like really cleaning your skin really deep down. I really like the photo facials. That's what I've been getting. I also do get like the acid peel ones too. So yeah, this video is short and sweet. Something else I really want to say, and I don't know why I feel embarrassed to like talk about this, and I feel like a lot of people do, but something that's really super understated with body image and just with like us viewing ourselves is something that really helps is just like looking at yourself in the mirror and telling yourself you're beautiful. Looking at your eyes and being like, I love those eyes. Looking at your lips and being like, damn, like I love those lips. And just like feeling your face and being like, I love the skin I'm in. I love this. And just like really feeling that and vibing with it. I feel like every woman should do it every single day. And I know it's like so silly. Like I feel embarrassed to even tell you guys that, but like no one does it, A. B, people think it's dumb, but it works. It will change your life, I swear. Positive affirmations are huge. People are just like think they're like witchy or like that, like they're not gonna work, but like your mindset is everything. So yeah, go to a mirror, tell yourself how much you like love your face, and that's all I really have for you. I hope you guys have a really great day. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out my website, like this video, subscribe. Goodbye.